Today I'm going to show you how to check itch.io comments quickly and easily so you can see what people are saying about your game or project, reply to feedback, and manage any unwanted posts. This is a super useful skill if you're a creator on itch.io because comments can help you understand your audience, improve your project, and keep your page organized. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to itch.io dashboard by visiting itch.io dashboard in your address bar. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your creator dashboard where all of your projects are listed. From here, look through your projects and click on the one you want to check comments for. This is important because comments are managed separately for each project, so make sure you're opening the correct one. After you select your project, look for a section or tab labeled Interact or Edit Comments. Depending on the layout of your dashboard, this is where itch.io gives you tools to manage community interaction. Once you open that area, you'll be able to view the comments that users have posted on your project page. Take a moment to read through them carefully so you can see any questions, bug reports, suggestions, or general feedback. If you want to reply to someone, you can usually respond directly from the same area, which makes it easy to stay engaged with your community. If there are comments that need moderation, you can also use the options there to manage or delete posts when necessary. This is helpful if you want to keep the discussion section clean, professional, and useful for visitors. If you're checking comments regularly, it's a good idea to make this part of your workflow after updates or new releases because users often leave valuable feedback right after downloading or playing your project, and that's really all there is to it. Go to your itch.io dashboard, open your project, and use the Interact or Edit Comments tab to review, reply to, or manage comments. It only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.